Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And as I mentioned, I continue working on my friend's car, which I bought for him. And also, as I mentioned in the first video with this car, I want to make a video just replacing the pollen filter or cabin air filter. And the only reason for that is that it's a kind of weird to replace. It's actually really easy, but I always like to do this kind of videos, you know, separated, search for pollen filter, cabin filter for the car that you are searching for, and it's easier to find than do a full video of a maintenance and include this cabin filter or pollen filter. So guys, let's go, let's replace. Don't forget to subscribe. I usually restore cars in this channel. This case is a bit different because I'm working on a friend's car that he actually asked me to buy a car for him. So guys, let's take care of this Audi A3 1.4 TFSI. Let's go guys. So guys, in the Audi A3 8PA and at least the 8PA, the pollen filter, it's located under here. So guys, under the glove box there is this like port. You can see it here, it's a kind of height, and that's the reason that I want to make this kind of a part. And guys, you just need to slide this to the right side and it's coming out. Guys, I believe this one is not replaced for a long time, and just need to pull out. Holy, yeah, as I imagined. So guys, it's a kind of tricky to show you, but as you can see, this one was not replaced for a long time, which is pretty normal because usually people don't know how important this is. Guys, this is health related, so guys, this is cheap. Okay, let's go. To install, it's just like the reverse process. You can see it here. I'm with lights and my camera is not really good to show you under here, but don't forget, don't mistake, this have a position. You just need to install it back and close the steps, which usually goes like this. Let me show you, like this, and then you just pull it aside and it's locked. Okay guys. So guys, as I mentioned, you just need to insert these steps over here. Guys, one thing, I don't know if you can see it, but this have arrow saying open, so if you go this side, this will open, and if you go that side, you will lock it. So guys, as you can see, this one, it was installed for a long time. And guys, remember the importance, I need to say it again, this is really important guys. The air filters or pollen filters in this condition is not good for your health. So guys, thanks for watching, I hope it helps, and as usual guys, see you soon, stay tuned.